Hi, today we're looking to convert a Notion form into PDF file on automation. For this demonstration, we are going to talk about Gift Affidavit form. And as you can see, this is a simple form with certain fields of information available over here. Once the user fills in all the details in this form and they click on submit, the responses will go to the responses view in the database over here. I've already created two entries out of the particular form onto the database, and now I'm looking to convert these entries into PDF file on automation. For this, I'll be using a tool known as PDF Output. PDF Output helps me create PDF files on automation from a Google document with the help of a Notion database. So the Notion database can contain any information that we see over here, and we can create any documents such as reports, invoices, contracts, certificates, or even quotations from this automation tool. So let us understand how this automation will work. Let's first click on create PDF and let's sign in, and then we will be able to see how the automation will work out from there on. So I'm going to quickly log in, and then we will see the other steps that are required for the automation to work. So once you sign in, the very first step which you need to take is you need to add your Notion database. So this is the database which we're going to add. So what I'll do is I'll click on add Notion database, and it will take me to the selection screen when I need to add the database. So let me copy the database title which I already have. This is the database which I'm going to use. So let me copy the title from here. Let me go to the selection screen, click on select pages, and put the title inside the search pages field. It will show me the exact form. Click on this and the form is now added up. So whenever you're looking to add a form or a database, always put it inside the search pages and then add it. Click on allow access, and now we should get access to the exact affidavit form, the gift affidavit form, which we are going to use for the automation setup. If you're not able to see the database appear in the drop down, what you can do is simply click on reload database. Sometimes it takes a while to load the database, so please be patient. But if you try reloading the database once or twice, it should definitely appear in the drop down. So let me try reloading it once again, and I should be able to see the same appear in the drop down. So you can see the gift affidavit form showing here. Click on this, and now if you scroll down, you should be able to see all the properties of the gift affidavit form showing over here, one below the other. Now next step is adding a document for this gift affidavit. So if you already have a gift affidavit template file on your drive, click on add Google document and select the existing document which you might be having on your drive. Okay. So if you already have a document from your drive, you can select the document from here. I don't have any document available, so I will instead add a new demo document. The moment I add a demo document, it will create me a new document with all the placeholders automatically created. Okay. So you can see it has created me this document with all the placeholders being fetched from the database. So we have donor name, we have gift date, we have gift description. All these fields that you see inside double curly brackets are coming from the database that we have added over here. So we have receipt name, donor name, gift description. All these fields will be mapped to the corresponding fields that we have in the database, and it will be generated as PDF file. So the donor name will be replaced with the donor name value that you find over here. Similarly, the gift date will be replaced with the gift date that you see over here, and so on for all the other fields. Okay. If you want to add any property onto the document, let's say I want to add gift description, let's click on copy, go to the document wherever you wish to add it. Let's say I want to add the gift description over here, click on paste. So you can use Control V or Command V on your keyboard. It will allow you to copy paste the property right into the document. So you can copy paste any sort of properties inside the document as per your choice, and it will instantly be mapped inside the document live. Okay. I have created all the mappings as required. Next step is defining how the PDF file will be named. So I want to define the PDF file as per the donor name that you find over here. Okay. So I will go with the donor name from the drop down, and that is selected. Let's click on download PDF, and now your PDF file will be generated and they will be saved right inside this database. So we have two columns, two rows marked as ready to generate. So whenever you are going to generate the PDF file, make sure you set your records as ready to generate whichever you want to convert to PDF, and they will be converted to PDF right inside this PDF file column. So you can see it has created me these two documents. Let me click on this and I should be able to see both of PDF files with their corresponding properties. So you can see I have created this document with all the placeholders automatically fetched from the database, and they have been mapped onto the document. Similarly, if I open up the second one, I also have the same pattern repeat over here, and they have been mapped with the database values. So we created two documents side by side where all the properties were correctly mapped with the database values, and they have been added up over here. Now, if you want to automate this process forever, click on Notion Automation, set up Automation, and this will create an automation to generate the PDF forever right inside your database. So now whenever user will submit all the details and they click on submit and a new entry appears in the database, simply mark it as ready to generate and the PDF will directly be created in the database for you. This makes the process really easy and convenient, as through this process you do not need to use PDF output from scratch to set up the database and the document and generate the PDF. Everything happens directly inside the database. So whenever user will click on submit, a new entry appears. You simply mark it as ready to generate and the PDF will automatically be created for you inside the database. This makes the process super easy and convenient to use, as all the automations happen directly inside the database for you, and you do not need to set up anything from scratch again and again to generate the PDF file from here on. I hope this demo was clear to you. If you got any questions for me, use this chat bubble and send me a message with your queries. Or else you can go to the bottom of the home page where you will find the contact window, which you can use and send me an email with whatever queries you're having. I'll be able to address the same. You can even book a free demo session where I'll be guiding you step by step on how to use this tool and take the best advantage of the automation available. But essentially, it will generate the same PDF using the same format that we had created earlier in PDF output, and the document will be created inside the database. And you can see it has started processing this file, and soon it will be converted to PDF file and stored over here, like how it did it right now. So this is how easy it is to use PDF